Hello children, so we had been reading pronouns and today we will also read pronouns. So come to in your English Elementary Grammar book, page number 32, and we will start directly exercise number 3. So quickly come to that portion. Exercise 3. Okay students, so we have to put the correct pronoun from taking from the box. The children are playing hide and seek. So definitely it will be they are playing hide and seek. Okay, come to next sentence. Jasmine has a mobile phone. Jasmine is the name of a girl. Dash is talking to her mother. So definitely it will be singular pronoun. And what is the singular pronoun? Perfect for a girl. Definitely she. She is talking to her mother. Next, Ravi, you are late. Did Dash meet the bus again? So it will be, did you miss the bus again? So definitely the third answer will be you. Y-O-U. So as I have already mentioned, you can be singular. You can also be plural. You are a boy and you are students. First sentence, you are a girl, you are a boy. This is singular. Whereas the second sentence, you are students. Students means more than one student, more than one person. So you can be singular, you can be plural. Okay? You have to see the objects. You have to see the nouns after it. Okay? Next. Do not be afraid of the dog. Dash will not bite you. So, for animals and for things, we have to use it if it is singular. So, definitely there is only one dog. So, that's why it will be it. It will not bite. Come to 5 number sentence. Come to the 5th sentence. This bag belongs to Jayan. Dash left it here. So belongs to Jayan. Jayan is a boy. So it will be he left it here. Come to the 6th sentence. She is our grandmother. Dash all love her very much. It will be we all love her very much. So she is our grandmother. Dash all love her very much. It will be we all love her very much. Now come to the D number. Learn some more pronouns. Now what we have to do? You have to learn some more pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Okay? Now where some other pronouns like here we have written they, she, you, it, he, we. These are some pronouns. There are some more like them, her, me, him. Okay. So there are some more pronouns like this, us. So these are some more pronouns and you have to read it and understand where these pronouns are used. This is my pen. Give it to me. So here, while only myself is talked about, then we have to use me. Thanks Kabir for this book. I will return it to him soon. So it is also used. It is used for what? For animals and things. So book is a thing, that's why it is used. This is his pen. Give it to him. So him is used for he. Here comes Sheila. We all like her. So for the girl we are using her. Next, they are coming to our school. We must welcome them. So for they we are using them. The teacher is taking us to see the zoo on Sunday. So the teacher is taking us. Us is plural. Okay, us can be used in the place of we. Okay. Next, meet Hari. He wants to sit with you in the class. Okay. So these are some more pronouns and the uses of the pronouns. You have to learn this by your own. Read it and by heart it. Okay. Come to exercise 4. Exercise 4. Here also I will only write the answers, not the whole sentence. First one will be he. He is a lazy boy. Second one will be dash am very poor. Am. This verb is only used with I. So that's why the second will be I. I am very poor. 3. Come here, Raman. Have you done this? So next will be you. Fourth answer, I dash to school daily. It will be I go to school daily, or you can also write we go to school daily. Okay. Next, Bali saw dash playing on the road. So Bali saw him or her playing on the road. Where are the children? Call them here. Children means plural, more than one child. So that's why it will be them. 7 number. Cats are very useful. It catch mice. So they catch mice. So there are more than one cats now. So if the animals are plural, you have to use they. They catch mice. Next, Mohan asked dash to give dash a book. Mohan asked me to give him a book. So me and him. Next, come here boys. We shall work now. So 9 number will be we. Okay. Now 10 number. Come to sentence number 10. Where is Kamala? Tell her to come here. Okay. So 10 number will be her. Kamala is girl, no? So tell her to come here. Where were you, boys? We were here, sir. So the teacher is asking the boys and the boys are replying to the teacher. So it will be you and we. Okay. So the teacher is telling the boys, where were you boys? The boys are replying, we were here, sir. So come to the exercise number 5 and we will be knowing the exercise 5 by orally. Orally we will know. Okay. I am not going to write it. Ravi, father wants to talk to her because here in this sentence number 1, Ravi, father wants to talk to you. It will be you. Okay. Y-O-U, because her mother is telling Ravi that father wants to talk to you. Come to the next. This burger is bad. Throw it away. The burger is indicated now, so it will be throw it away. Come to the third number. Look at the boys. Okay, the boys are splashing their shoes. They are spoiling their shoes. So it will be look at them. They are spoiling their shoes. There are 3 boys. So it will be them. So I am writing it quickly. Then it will be easier for you. Ravi, father wants to talk to you. First answer will be you. His mother, Ravi's mother is talking, is telling him that his father wants to talk to him. Him means Ravi. Throw this burger. So it will be throw it. This burger is bad. The boy's mother is telling him that this burger is bad. Throw it away. So second answer will be eat. Third, look at them. They are spoiling their shoes. So it will be them. Next, the sum is too hard for him. The boy is trying to do the sum. So it will be him. Where is dad taking dash on Sunday? So two girls are talking to each other. So it will be you. Where is dad taking you on Sunday? So it will be you. Okay students, so we have completed the chapter pronoun. I will provide some extra pronouns and you have to identify the pronouns from the sentences. I will provide you in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So till then, thank you. Have a very good day.